So how do we understand wind in the human body? So wind moves, so we also move by virtue of our nervous system. So vata is nothing but the energy inside the nerves, the nervous system or the electrical signals. So anything related to the nerves, this enema would be, the basti enema would be great for. So all the neurodegenerative diseases, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, dementia, motor neuron disease, all these have great results with this basti. And of course, more localized gut disorders like IBS, constipation, functional constipation, all these also respond well.